Okay, I'm guessing there's either an owl right now or there was, because there's a squirrel's tail, but just a tail. It's literally running right towards me. That's pretty funny. Well, we've got quite a gray day today. Supposed to be some blue skies later on, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. Really cold. It's about minus 25 degrees Celsius, so that's about what, minus 20 Fahrenheit. I'm exploring a new area today. I've never been here, but there's usually lots of bird spotting, some owls. I saw that there's a barred owl and a great horned owl seen just yesterday. Let's see what we can find. So today I'm using the OM System OM1 Mark 1 with the 300mm f4 lens. Absolutely love this lens, really sharp images. And with the f4, man, you get some really beautiful shots. I've also got my Nikon ProStaff P7, which is some really nice waterproof binoculars that I love to keep with me when I'm doing photos. Helps a lot to try and spot some birds from a distance. They're quite affordable as well. Got a very nice clean opening here, so I wonder if there's not some raptors hanging around trying to look for some rodents. So there's a feeder right in front, and I do hear some woodpeckers drumming away at a tree. Hopefully we do get to see a few birds. The problem with these forests, they're very mature trees, so they're very tall, and the birds kind of hang out at the top or just don't hang out in them at all. There's a woodpecker. I'm going to change my settings to Pro Capture. I'm going to try to get some shots of these birds flying away. So Pro Capture is going to take some photos before I even press on the shutter button. I just have to half press, and once I take the actual picture and press on the shutter button, well, that's when the photos will have been taken. Hope I'm explaining that right. Did I get any? Yeah? Kinda. Whoa, snow's deep here. Oh, the clouds are kind of dissipating. So that's a good sign. Got some more nice open fields here. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can hear in the distance some laughing nuthatches. What's this one? So what I just saw and was hearing was an American tree sparrow. We don't get a whole lot of them here. They're not the rarest, but they're not too common either. So nice to see. Listen, I might be colorblind, but I think there's some color here. Starting to get some snow inside of my binoculars. So there's coyotes here. Hope I can see one. So now I'm taking out my GH5 with the Sigma, 16mm f1.4. And I also got this cool kit from Freewell. They sent me its adjustable ND and CPL filters. So it'll be the first time that I test them out. So big thanks to Freewell for sending this over. So it goes from 3 to a 7. So I just need just a tiny bit because it's very bright with the sun. So let's see here. Try to go down to the ground. Look at these textures on this wood. If you know what this is called, please leave a comment. I'm curious to know what do you call this in a tree? I'm sure this is not a knot. Let's go for a kind of macro shot here. So there's a squirrel right here that's literally running right towards me. That's pretty funny. Got a couple of shots. I'm starting to do some dad noises when I'm standing up. Oh, we've got a black squirrel here. What was that? Fortunately, I can't walk in that direction. But I wonder what that was. The black squirrel's freaking out. I don't know if there's an owl not too far. Oh, this would be a nice photo. Gonna go at 1.4. Oh my god, I'm sinking. Oops. Slightly underexposed, so let's try that again. There we go. Lots of broken branches here. They're all the way here. It's just squirrels jumping from one tree to another. Or something else. Just heard a group of Bohemian waxwing just flying over. They went close to where I'm parked, so hopefully we get to see them and take some photos. They're such beautiful, colorful birds. Actually, I thought we couldn't go more south, but here's a spot. There's lots of evergreen trees over there, and there's a little trail here, so I'm gonna try to go see there if we couldn't see some owls. From my experience, owls love to be in pines and just any evergreen tree. I guess it cuts the wind a bit for them. Okay, I'm guessing there's either an owl right now, or there was, because there's a squirrel's tail, but just a tail. That tells me that someone was having a snack here. So let's try to find it. Oh yeah, there's a nest right there. Here's a view of the nest. So I was just told by someone that unknowingly I was not in the trail. Apparently there are some people who've created some trails that are kind of not approved by this park. So thank you to that person for letting me know to walk out of there. Well, not many birds today, but still had lots of fun. Got the mustache completely frozen here. But yeah, it was a beautiful morning, beautiful day. It's a nice park. There's lots of space, but it is a mature forest, so there's not a lot of birds. So we'll have to see maybe another day. Better luck when it's maybe not as cold. My mouth is frozen. We'll see another time. Hope you enjoyed the video today. I'll see you again soon.